Why YouTube search bar is not working? Hello everyone, welcome to our channel and let's see the possible reasons behind YouTube search bar not working. So the foremost reason could be that YouTube is actually down for everyone, and you can just simply check it up by searching it up on Google, the down detector, and over here you will be able to see different reports by people who have been reporting that YouTube is down for them. Or you can just simply go on Twitter or any other social media and you would be able to find that it is down for everyone else out there. So it's not just you. And even if it's you, then just simply update your Chrome browser or the browser that you are using. Like you would be able to see something like this, that relaunch to update. Just simply click on it and you would be able to update your browser. Or you can just clear the cache memory of your browser, and after clearing the cache, just restart your browser. And you can also restart your PC in case if it is still not working, and this way it should be working quite fine. And these are some ways that you can use in order to get your search bar for YouTube working. I hope this video was helpful. Make sure to hit that like button and also subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos.